Growing up working for my dad's construction company, I've always kind of had an imagination of just design, and I wanted to just get into wood shop and create. It's my getaway and just get away from the world in a sense. Here in Olympia, we're very fortunate enough to have the lush greens that we get here, the 4 seasons we get, those vibrant colors, those magical sunsets across the water. This art form that I've created, it's about the story for me and like where the wood came from. That's what my father taught me, knowing that I'm saving that wood from going to landfill or getting burned, and that it's gonna live for another 100 years in someone's home. This wood is all old growth cedar that you can't find anymore. No one makes lath like they used to. All the natural colors and patinas, I can't mimic those. I mean, the 100+ years is what's collected and made those colors, and so I don't need to stain or paint anything because it's all there for me, and that's what tells the story. Each piece is different. Every piece isn't going to be the same. The outdoors has always been a big inspiration for my work. Looking across the water to the Olympics has always been inspiring for me. Just there's all this vast land of hills and valleys and peaks. Here in Olympia, you're still by the water, you're closer to the coast, you're closer to the Olympics to escape to. This is really where my roots are, and this is what I know, and this is what I love at the end of the day. Creating and building is in my blood. My name's Nick Terrel. I'm a woodworker, co-owner of Ember Goods, and I'm decidedly different.